Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Metria Nikole and I'm a future full-time content creator who makes videos on home decor, cleaning, and organization. And if you're interested, continue to watch. So in today's video, I'm cleaning my kitchen a couple times this day. It's the aftermath of me washing my daughter's hair the night before, and I had to braid her hair later this day. And I'm also going to be providing you guys a little bit of kitchen ASMR as well. So on this particular day, it was my only off day. So if you haven't watched my previous video, you saw that I worked 6 days straight. I did have one break, 1 day off in between before I had to go back and do another 3 days straight. But this is my day off after all of that, and I have to work 8 days straight after this day. So I'm pretty tired, but I need to get my daughter's hair done. But before I do anything, I'm gonna make me some coffee. On this day, I was off from work and the kids were out of school. It was just nice waking up whenever I felt like it and getting in my bed whenever, because I hadn't had this day in so long. So my kitchen looked a hot mess, but I wanted to cook breakfast for my girls. So anytime they're out of school and I'm off for work, a lot of times I do enjoy cooking breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal to cook. And I'll try my best to start filming me cooking, because I do enjoy cooking breakfast. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but anytime that I cook, I do prefer to cook with a clean kitchen. I try to get everything cleaned off the counters. I may not get the dishes done at that moment, but I definitely try to get everything cleaned up before I cook. Drop a comment down in the description if you guys feel the same. And guys, I just wanted to jump back in, and I really hope my videos are motivating you guys to clean yourself. And you don't have to clean your whole house in one day. I know as a working mom, I don't have the energy to do that. However, I just tackle the area that needs the most attention, which was my kitchen. That was the only thing I cleaned this day. So again, you know, just focus on that one room that needs that extra love and get that done. Maybe the next day have a break and then go to another room. Again, I just hope that my videos are encouraging you guys just to tackle one room at a time. Okay guys, and this next scene is basically the aftermath of me braiding my daughter's hair. I was so tired on this day, but it was my only day off before I had to work the next 8 days straight. So I did schedule someone to braid her hair, but that ended up falling through, so I had no choice but to do her hair. She is transitioning back to natural, so I just want to make sure, you know, her hair is neat and in place. I made a commitment to my daughter, and I wanted to follow through. I'm very big on actions and words with my kids, so I want them to know that when mommy says I'm going to do something, I'm actually going to follow through with it. But we get it, life happens, sometimes things fall apart, but I do want to make sure they know that I follow through with what I said I was going to do. Her hair turned out really cute and she loved it. So I'm pretty much just re-cleaning the kitchen again. I did clean it this morning before I cooked breakfast. Breakfast got cooked. We enjoyed it, but I just wanted to re-clean re-clean the kitchen. And I think it took me about maybe 6 hours to do her hair. And I was really going back and forth. Should I clean the kitchen now or should I go take a nap? But I decided to go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up really quick, and I took a nap after that because I needed to cook dinner next. And for anyone who's made it this far in the video, I truly thank you guys so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so the kitchen is clean, dinner is ready to be cooked. So I had already started the yellow rice. I ended up cooking some veggies and some pork chops in the air fryer. Very simple meal, and I just want to thank you guys again so much for the support, for watching my channels and subscribing. I just hope that you guys continue to watch, and if you have any video ideas, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.